Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. If there's anything you want to say or if there's anything you want to ask, make sure you actually say it. I'll be watching out for it in the comment section. Don't forget to like also. So, we would be looking at gold for this week. Take a look at this gold for this week, right? We can see that there's kind of like a correction playing out, right. So this is kind of showing us that one more movement will be playing out. If that movement plays out, then we will start seeing a good massive move on gold will start dropping, by the way. So probably I'll be watching out for a level of 2072. I would want gold to actually get to that level, but are we going to get to that level this week? Well, possibly not, or will I say probably not. I don't believe we would actually hit that level. So basically, when we go down to the 4 hour time and daily time frame, sorry, we can see that there is a range market move. And all I can say is that gold will continue to actually range within this level. One of the reasons why we had this massive movement on gold was, due to the fact that gold was a safe haven currency, or what will I say, safe haven, will I say currency or whatever? Yes, currency, right? During the news on bank falling, failing, and everything, increasing interest rate and everything, gold started having that momentum movement due to the fact that a lot of people were putting in their money. So that is why it's now dropping. But now that this situation is coming down, take a look at the banking crisis is actually coming down. You can see the news on the Fed, saying that interest rates will obviously be increased once. After that, they will start looking down to cut down on they will start looking to cut down on interest rates, right? And that one more interest rates that will be increased will be around May, June. So around that May, June, we expect this gold probably around that May, June to have tapped a level of 2077 before gold will start dropping. So in the long run, gold will actually drop, but first we need to make that bullish move. But right now that the situation is down, right, you would expect some drop on gold. And let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see it on the 4 hour time frame. What can you see? Gold wants to start giving us a ranging market move. Take a look at this resistance level. Gold has tapped it twice. You can see it one, two. You can see it has dropped. Now gold is actually come to this resistance level. So I expect it to come to this resistance level again. Then one more drop will be made. After that one more drop, this is exactly what I am seeing, by the way. The movement might not play out that way. I can't be 100% correct. But with what I am seeing, I feel that once gold comes to this resistance level, we will be expecting a drop straight down to the support level. So basically, if you have to take this, I'm going to advise you, once gold can hit a level of 2000, probably I personally I will be looking to sell, short it down to a level of 90,000 for for two. So if you want to go ahead and continue to take it up, then you can go. But as at now, I don't see gold giving us that bullish move. Most of the money is now going into the stock market. That is why we can see stock indices is now going bullish. Take a look at your S&P 500, take a look at your Nasdaq 100, take a look at your US 30, and everything. They're now going seeing a momentum because money is now flowing into that, and slowly, little by little, money will be leaving this gold. And the reason why I'm saying that this gold will actually go bullish is, probably when it's about a week or 2 weeks to the announcement or increase in interest rates, I believe gold is going to see a more volatile movement. It is just like the sentimental aspect of it. A lot of people will be worried and what is going to happen to the markets and everything. They will be worried in how the Fed will actually increase the interest rates. During that time, I would expect a more impulse move, a more bullish move on gold. But as at now, I don't see that movement. I don't see that much bullish move, except if price can come to this resistance level, I will be expecting that another drop. So during probably a week or 2 weeks to that increase in interest rates one more time, then I expect gold to actually go, break a level of this resistance and go to that level. But as time goes on, we will continue to look at it. But right now, what I'm watching out on gold is go to this resistance level. Once it can get to this resistance level, I personally will be looking to short straight downward. So that is what I'll be expecting on gold. Now on this week, gold is going to give us like a good amount of volatile movement. the movement for this week will be crazy. Now let's take a look at our Forex Factory. These are some of the news that we will be expecting this week. As you can see, it's on Monday, April 3rd. We'll be expecting a major news on this USD, which is going to affect our DXY. Once it affects our DXY, then any other thing or currency or any other place you are trading to DXY, which is USD, we definitely have an impact on it. So we will be expecting an impact on gold. Same thing with Tuesday, you can see George Job opening. Same thing with Wednesday, same thing with Thursday, same thing with Friday. Basically, DXY or USD index or USD, as we can say, will move very well this week that I'm predicting for. So with such movements, I expect gold to actually, give us a crazy move this week. So we need to be watching out for it. So personally, I'm going to play on the safe zone. I will not trade this. I will not trade gold until it comes to this our resistance level. Then I will look to sell, because with what I'm seeing, gold might just be giving us this back and forth movement. I mean, you would not want to be caught up on this type of trade, right? So you just basically wait till it hits your resistance level. Then it will be a good opportunity to sell. And if you're a scalper, then you need to pay attention to these things, because they are going to have an effect on this gold. So this week, right, like I'll say, I'll be expecting a little bit of a bullish move on gold before that, drop. So if in case you are interested in high probability trade that has 70 to 90% chance of winning, I'll put a link to the Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section, by the way. Sign up, give it a try for just a month. Just try for this April. Give it a try for this April. Then after the end of April, you can now decide if you are to keep your subscription or if you are to cancel your subscription. Everything is up to you. I mean, take a look at some of these trades we actually took this week. You can see for February 27 to 31. I'm going to put a link to some of these trades we actually took. The link will be in this comment section. See the trade for S&P 500. We got to targets. We took trade on Nasdaq 100 yesterday. Wonderful trade. Also Nasdaq 100 today. Wonderful trade. One more trade is actually running, by the way. One more trade is actually still playing out, and by the way, we are going to hit the profit by next week. I'm going to actually, once we hit the profit, I'm going to share that trade with you so you can see it, by the way. So if in case you're interested in that trade, you can check the link in the comment section. Sign up to the Patreon channel, because in that channel we will be putting out trade on Nasdaq 100. We will be putting out trade on gold. We would be putting out trade on S&P 500, US 30. Basically, many of these trades we will be putting out. So if in case you're interested, just give it a try. The link will be in the comment section.